Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Is your car showing signs of a battery not charging? Today, we are going to talk about the symptoms of a car battery not charging, their causes, and remedies. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's important to address them as soon as possible to avoid getting stranded on the road. So, let's get started. Symptoms. The first symptom of a car battery not charging is a slow engine crank. If you notice that your engine is taking longer than usual to start, it could be a sign that your battery is not charging properly. If you hear clicking or grinding noises when trying to start the car, it could be a sign of a failing battery. Another symptom is dimming headlights or interior lights. If your headlights are not as bright as they used to be, it could be a sign that your battery is not providing enough power. If you notice that your battery warning light is on, it's a clear indication that your battery is not charging. Dashboard warning lights indicating low battery or charging system issues are also a red flag that your battery may not be charging properly. Finally, loss of power while driving can also be a symptom of a car battery not charging. Causes. There are several reasons why your car battery may not be charging. One common cause is a faulty alternator. The alternator is responsible for charging your battery while the engine is running, so if it's not working properly, your battery won't charge. Another cause could be a loose or corroded battery cable. If the cable is not making a good connection, it can prevent the battery from charging properly. It is important to check and tighten these connections regularly. An old or worn-out battery can also lead to charging issues. If your battery is more than 3 to 4 years old, it may be time for a replacement. Finally, a broken or damaged alternator belt can also cause the battery not to charge. It's important to inspect and replace the belt if necessary. Remedies. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, there are a few things you can do to remedy the situation. First, you can check the battery cables to make sure they're tight and free of corrosion. If they're loose or corroded, you can clean them with a wire brush and tighten them up. Another remedy is to check the alternator. You can do this by using a voltmeter to test the voltage output. If it's not within the recommended range, you may need to replace the alternator. Finally, if your battery is dead, you can jumpstart it or replace it with a new one. If none of the above remedies solve the issue, it's important to have the electrical system checked by a professional. They can diagnose any underlying issues that may be causing the battery not to charge. It is important to pay attention to the symptoms of a car battery not charging and address any issues promptly. By understanding the causes and remedies for this issue, you can ensure that your car's battery stays charged and your vehicle stays running smoothly. So, there you have it. The symptoms of a car battery not charging, their causes, and remedies. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, don't ignore them. Addressing the issue early can save you a lot of trouble down the road. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share the video, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.